Hi, hello, welcome to Stay Tuned channel. So we are going to celebrate Pongal festival. So today I'll tell you the history of Pongal. Pongal is an ancient festival of people of South India, particularly Tamils. The history of festival can be traced back to Sangam age, that is 200 BC to 300 AD. Although Pongal originated as a Dravidian harvest festival and has a mention in Sanskrit Puranas, historians identify the festival with the Thai Un and Thai Neeradal, which are believed to have been celebrated during the Sangam age. The celebrations of Sangam era led to today's Pongal celebrations. As part of the festivities, maidens of the Sangam era observed Pavai Nombu at the time of Thai Neeradal, which was a major festival during the reign of the Pallavas. It was observed during the Tamil month of Margali, that is December to January. During this festival, young girls prayed for rain and prosperity of the country. Throughout the month, they avoided milk and milk products. They would not oil their hair and refrained from using harsh words while speaking. Women used to bath early in the morning. They worshipped the idol of goddess Katyayani, which would be carved out of wet sand. They ended their penance on the first day of the month of Thai, from January to February. This penance was to bring abundant rains to flourish the paddy. These traditions and customs of ancient times gave rise to Pongal celebrations. Andal's Tirupavai and Manika Vasagar's Thiruvembavai vividly describe the festival of Thai Neeradal and ritual of observing Pavai Nombu. According to an inscription found in the Veeraraghava temple at Tiruvallur, the Chola king Kilatunga used to gift lands to the temple, especially for the Pongal celebrations. So let us see some legends of Pongal. Some legendary stories are also associated with Pongal festival celebrations. The two most popular legends of Pongal are stories related to Lord Shiva and Lord Indra. According to a legend, once Shiva asked his bull Basava to go to the earth and ask the mortals to have an oil massage and bath every day and to eat once a month. Basava announced that everyone should eat daily and have an oil bath once a month. This mistake enraged Shiva, who then cursed Basava, banishing him to live on the earth forever. He would have to plow the fields and help people produce more food. Thus, the association of this day with the cattle. Another legend of Lord Indra and Lord Krishna also led to Pongal celebrations. It is said that when Lord Krishna was in his childhood, he decided to teach a lesson to Lord Indra, who became arrogant after becoming the king of all deities. Lord Krishna asked all the cowherds to stop worshipping Lord Indra. This angered Lord Indra and set forth his clouds for thunderstorms and 3 days continuous rains. Lord Krishna lifted Mount Govardhan to save all the humans. Later, Lord Indra realized his mistake and divine power of Krishna. According to Hindu mythology, this is when the day of gods begins after a 6 month long night. The festival is spread over 3 days and is the most important and most fervently celebrated harvest festival of South India. A special puja is performed on the first day of Pongal before the cutting of the paddy. Farmers worship the sun and the earth by anointing their plows and sickles with sandalwood paste. It is with these consecrated tools that the newly harvested rice is cut. Each of the 3 days are marked by different festivities. The first day, Bhogi Pongal, is the day for the family. Surya Pongal, the second day, is dedicated to worship of Surya, the sun god. Boiled milk, rice, and jaggery is offered to the sun god. The third day of Pongal, Matu Pongal, is for worship of the cattle known as Madu. Cattle are bathed, their horns polished and painted in bright colors and garlanded with flowers placed around their necks. The pongal that has been offered to the gods is then given to cattle and birds to eat. So I hope that you liked the video. So keep watching my channel and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.